Will AI replace my job? Artificial intelligence is changing the world, faster than ever before. From writing emails to driving cars, AI is doing things we once thought only humans could do. But the big question is, will AI replace your job? In this video, we'll break down which jobs are most at risk, which ones are safe, and how you can future-proof your career in the age of AI. So if you want to survive and thrive in this AI-driven world, stay till the end. Section 1. What AI can do. Today, AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's already here. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Copilot are writing code, designing logos, drafting legal documents, and even analyzing financial data. In fact, companies are already replacing entry-level roles with AI automation. Customer support, data entry, content writing, these are being handled by AI 24/7 with no breaks, no salaries, and no mistakes. So yes, AI is replacing tasks. But does that mean it's replacing your job? Let's dig deeper. Section 2. Jobs most at risk. According to multiple studies, jobs with repetitive, rule-based tasks are most at risk. Here's a quick list. Data entry clerks, telemarketers, customer service reps, basic accountants, entry-level graphic designers, paralegals, and analysts. If your daily routine involves doing the same thing over and over again, I can probably do it, faster and cheaper. But don't panic yet, because AI still struggles with something crucial: human judgment and creativity. Section 3. Jobs that are safe. Jobs that require empathy, creativity, and complex decision-making are much harder for AI to replace. Think about it. AI can give you a medical report, but it can't comfort a patient. It can design a logo, but it doesn't truly understand what makes art emotional. Some examples of AI-safe jobs include teachers and educators, psychologists and counselors, managers and entrepreneurs, creative professionals, writers, directors, designers, skilled trades like electricians and plumbers. In short, the more human your job is, the safer you are. Section 4. How to future-proof your career. So how do you make sure AI doesn't take your job? The key is to learn how to work with AI, not against it. Here's what you can do. 1. Learn AI tools. Whether you're in marketing, finance, or design, understand how to use AI to your advantage. For example, learn how ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Excel AI tools can make your job faster. 2. Focus on human skills. Develop creativity, emotional intelligence, and communication. These are things AI can't replicate. 3. Stay updated. The future belongs to people who adapt. Keep learning new skills, especially in tech and data. 4. Think like an entrepreneur. Instead of fearing AI, think about how to use it to start a side hustle, automate tasks, or even create a business. Section 5. The real answer. So, will AI replace your job? Here's the truth. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. The future of work isn't human or AI. It's human plus AI. Those who learn to collaborate with it will rise. Those who ignore it might get left behind. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.